Hi, welcome all of you. Now we are going to see the update of yesterday's video and what is the view on market for tomorrow. Please pause the video and read the disclaimers. We are going to see the update of Nifty which we have posted yesterday. If you see the first chart, the entire day was a range bound market. Almost 99% of the entire day's trading was between the first 15 minutes candle. If you see the second chart, our view has exactly been triggered on the sell side and it has achieved the target one. And we could book the profit of 31 points, approximately 2325 rupees on Nifty futures. Now if you see the bank Nifty, as I said, it was so volatile and it was moving on both directions. We could see that in the first chart. Have a look at the second chart. Both our buy and the sell side, all the targets have been achieved completely, especially within the first 1 hour of the trade. And I have posted the 5 minutes chart on the right hand side. Approximately we could have booked 9875 points per lot. Now we will have a look at the stock views which has been posted yesterday. First one is LIC Housing Finance. The buy side has been triggered, but still the target 1 and target 2 is not achieved, but it gave us a good opportunity to book profit around 461 to 460 range. Again one is Motherson Sumi and it has triggered on the sell side and it has achieved the target 1. And the third stock was Century Ply. As I told you, it was a dream run for Century Ply, and from 405 it went all the way up to 440 rupees. I have attached the screenshots of all the 3 stocks which we discussed yesterday for your reference. Even if you would have traded around 200 stocks in all these 3, approximately we would have got the profit of 3360 rupees. Do pause the video and check all the screenshots for your reference. Now we will go ahead and see what is the view for tomorrow's market. Now first we will look at Nifty. If Nifty breaks 15205, there is a possibility of it going to 15244 and 15275 accordingly, and maximum it can reach till 15337. On the other hand, if Nifty goes below 15159, there is a possibility of Nifty reaching 15136, 15105, and if it breaks 1500, there is a possibility of furthermore downside to 1575, and there will be a good support at 15,000. Now if we look at the Bank Nifty, today Bank Nifty showed a decent strength in the market. If Bank Nifty goes above 34,955, there is a possibility of reaching to 34,998 and 35,045, and it can reach the maximum of 35,91. On the other hand, if it goes below 34,890, there is a possibility of it reaching 34,850 and 34,800. Breaking 34,800, there will be a strong bear hold, and there is a possibility of it reaching to 34,660 to 34,600. Now if we look at the stocks, again I am holding the view on 3 stocks today. One is LIC Housing Finance, another is Motherson Sumi, and another is Tata Steel. LIC, though in the morning it was a little bit weak, it started to have a good rally and later half of the day. If LIC goes above 462.25, there is more possibility it can reach to 467 to 472. Wherein if it goes below 456.6, there is more possibility of it reaching to 451 to 446 range. Now, if we have a look at Motherson Sumi can be strong above 244 and it can reach to 248 to 252 levels. It will be weak if it breaks 240. There is a possibility of it reaching 236.5 to 232.5. Finally, if we see Tata Steel, there is good up move visible. If it goes above 1098, there is a possibility of it reaching 1105 to 1113. If it goes below 1089, there is more possibility of it to reach 1081 to 1073. Hope you are enjoying the video. If you do like this kind of a contents, do like, share and subscribe. Do share it to your friends if you find it useful so they can also be beneficial in this. Thank you all of you. See you tomorrow.